coding. Introducing a fingerprint-based scanning system in election can avoid malpractice and reduce the fake votes. The electronic voting machine has two units. One is control unit and another is balloting unit. Control unit is interfaced with fingerprint sensor and scanner. If he or she casts his vote, whereas to give the thumb impression. The thumb impression is scanned, sensed and stored in the external memory interfaced with the compiler. The output of the fingerprint sensor is in the form of binary pattern of the voter's fingerprint. The binary pattern of the voter and database of the Aadhaar card is same, then the voter is allowed to vote only once. An e-voting system using a fingerprint technology in which the data is recorded, stored and processed primarily as a digital information. The future scope is this system can be used in elections since it provides a complete security and will provide accurate result and save time and expenditure. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Nivetaki here to discuss about our product anti-rigging voting machines design and innovation. Our voting machine has intricate features as it has privacy protected authentication system in which biometrics are created. Our product undergoes three operations: identification, verification and then voting. In the identification process, it checks whether the fingerprint of the voter matches with the previously stored database. In the process of verification, if the fingerprint matched means it will display in the LCD display valid to vote. Otherwise, it will display not valid to vote. At last, in the process of voting, the voter can choose their option to vote. Our voting machine is compact in size. By using Energia software, the instructions for identification, verification and voting are given to our voting machine in the coded form. So, it is possible to implement our idea into innovation.
Hi, I'm Kirti. I'm going to share about our project anti-rigging voting machine using fingerprint. In this voting machine, we have used a fingerprint sensor module to authenticate true voter by taking fingerprint as the input in this system. We have used a microcontroller which controls the whole system. We have also used Energia software for the microcontroller. MSP430 is a microcontroller which is used as embedded model system. Finger is placed in the fingerprint model during the process of identification and verification. Then computer shows the name of templates which is placed with the enrolled fingerprint. When more than 50 minutiae points are matched, then system is programmed to check that user has voted or not. If user has voted, then only voting machine is allowed to the user, otherwise not permitted for the voting.
Hi, I am Nandini, Operating Manager of this project, here to discuss about execution of a project anti-rigging voting machine. We are planning to implement biometric system which give secure and reliable environment to the customer in election booth. There are many barriers occur during the process of election such as fake votes, requirement of voter ID, etc. These barriers can be overcome by implementation of fingerprint method which avoid fraudulence and also Aadhaar card linking which make the process of voting easier. In our project, we use fingerprint method for verification and come across more validation by approaching our project with some peoples. We collect suggestions from some peoples who are working in election commission and frame our project in that manner. Even though in this pandemic situation, we work hard for success of our project.
Hi everyone, I am Narmata, team leader of this project. Here to show you the prototype demonstration of our project development of anti-rigging voting machine using fingerprint. First, we have to register the fingerprint of the voters to the memory. Likewise, we can register many number of voters' fingerprint. The elective candidate list are already uploaded by programming. For example, I have already registered my fingerprint. Now, I am going to poll vote for the candidate A. So first I select A. And I keep my finger on the sensor. The vote is casted for candidate A. When we keep our registered finger on the sensor, it will be verified identify and vote will also be casted. A person can vote only once. The number of votes casted for each candidate can view instantly. The time consumption will be less for identification, verification of voters, and for counting the votes. The result can also be announced in the election day itself. Therefore, the product is more secure and it saves the time. Thank you.